Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up and customize your preferred item slots on Fortnite. I'll be showing you how to turn them on, off, and even customize them to your liking. This is a cool new feature on Fortnite that will automatically customize and set up your inventory when you pick up things. It's a really cool feature, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do it. Let's jump right into this. For me, I'm going to be doing today's video on PC. However, it is exactly the same on both console and mobile. You'll just need to click on the settings a different way. So what we're going to be doing is coming to our home screen. We're going to be coming to our burger menu here on the top right, or our settings menu here. We're going to be clicking this open, and then we're going to be focusing here on the tab on the right, which is our extra menu settings. From this point, we're going to be coming to the top one here called settings. We're going to be clicking this open, and by default, we're going to be brought to the video settings for Fortnite. From this point, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be focusing here on the top menu tab here in the center. We're going to be looking for the second option here, the cogwheel, otherwise known as the game tab. And here we're going to get some extra game settings in relation to our Fortnite. Once we're here, we're going to be scrolling down until we see the combat section here, and we're looking for the second last option here, preferred item slots. What we'll have here on the right is an option to configure this. If we click this open, we'll see here a list of all the preferred item slot locations. So the first option here we have is to enable and disable this. So if you'd like to turn it off, you can feel free to do that here. Otherwise, if you're like me, you're going to be leaving it on. And then we're going to have our available slots here 1 through 5. And here then to the right, we'll have a checklist to select what we want on each. So what I'm going to be doing is adjusting this to how I usually set up my inventory. I'm going to be putting my sniper here on the first slot. On the second slot, I'm going to be setting up my AR. On the third slot, I'm going to be putting my SMG. The fourth slot, I'm going to be putting my shotgun. And then on the last slot, I'm going to be leaving my consumable items. Typically, I leave my healing item on my last or my last 2 slots, depending on the inventory that I have. And this is my typical layout for Fortnite. So what you can do is come here, set it up exactly how you want. Once you've changed any settings and you're happy with everything, we're going to be coming down to the bottom right. We're going to be clicking on the apply option. And now all of our settings are going to be saved. Now when we go back into Fortnite, everything will be kept here just like this. Now a couple of cool extra things to keep in mind about these loadout slots. If we see here on the right, we get some extra information. Rarity swapping will occur when picking up a higher rarity weapon, like for like item. For example, an uncommon shotgun will swap for an epic pump shotgun. The low rarity item will be relocated to the first available slot. So this is a really cool automatic sorting filter as well. We also have auto sort consumables to the right will continue to work, so we'll automatically put them to the right. And just keep in mind, this automatic pre-filled switching will only be available until you have a complete inventory, in which case you'll have to manage it yourself. However, I still think this is a really nice feature, and I think it's a great thing to bring into Fortnite. And if you want to support the channel, feel free to click the join button. You can become a member of the channel for as little as €1. It'll really help out the channel and push more videos in the future. You can click the join button right underneath any video on the channel to join the channel, and it's really easy to do. Anyway guys, it's as easy as that to set up the preferred item slots on Fortnite. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. If you enjoyed this, be sure to drop a super thanks in this video to show your support, it definitely helps me out. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.